Hey there, my name is Mike Munter. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find keyword-rich domains that might be available in your niche. Now, I use a tool called Lean Domain Search. Begin by going to leandomainsearch.com. Once we're here, let's just check out Portland Catering. So this will be the city, and there's the main keyword, catering or caterer. When we hit enter, we can see that we found almost 5,000 domain names that include Portland Catering in them. Now you can sort these results if you'd like, or you can use a search term filter, which I like to do and do starts with the search term. And then look through for a domain name that seems to make sense. Now I wouldn't choose something like Portland Catering Online or Portland Catering Blog or Web. Now, those to me look like a magazine style website, but I do like this Portland Catering Group. This would be a great .com name. Now, even if your legal business name is not the same. So for example, if your legal business name was Melissa's Catering LLC, that doesn't mean that that's what your .com, your website name has to be. Certainly you would list that on your website, but your .com domain name as Portland Catering Group will generate more leads than Melissa's Catering LLC.com would. So that's one example. Let's take a look at a second example using a plumber in Dallas, Dallas Plumber. Now you can see here we've got over 1,600 options. And one thing I want to point out here is that a lot of the new domain names now have options for .blog, .biz, .info, .co. There are a lot of these options available, and if it's for me in 2020, I would still stick with .com because that's what most people expect to see. That's what you mostly see ranking in Google. And that may change in the future, but if it were me right now, I would rather have mydallasplumber.com, which is a partial match, rather than dallasplumber.biz, which would be an exact match. I would rather have the .com, and it's always really going to give you a great edge over your competitors if you can get your main keyword and your primary city into your domain name. So I hope you found this video about finding keyword-rich domain names helpful. If you need any help, you can give me a call. I love helping businesses with marketing strategy so that you can rank better in Google and produce more inbound leads for your business.